Having a hard time managing assets in the oil and gas industry? Simplify it with Asset Infinity's asset management software. Benefits of Asset Infinity's asset management software. Asset lifecycle management. Every asset is complex, so it needs to be properly managed and maintained regularly. Our software keeps track of asset life and disposed of on time. Real-time asset tracking. Improved tracking of equipment to avoid theft and pilferage. Real-time tracking helps in taking informed decisions. Check-in and check-out. Check-in and check-out feature makes employees accountable and helps in improving employee performance. Work order creation and allocation to technicians. You can check the status of each work order. Features of Asset Infinity's asset management software. Schedule preventive maintenance to avoid sudden equipment failure and boost asset performance. Visibility of maintenance activities across all locations in a single dashboard. Specific technician data helps in improving the productivity of the workforce. Alert and warning when oil tank level crosses the threshold value. Physical asset verification is done quickly, easily and efficiently. Our software comes with cloud technology, so accessibility and flexibility is also there. It can be used through mobile application. Improve your business ROI with Asset Infinity. Schedule a demo and sign up for a free trial.